लास्ट इंस्टॉलेशन मैसूर की आपको दिखा नहीं पाए बिकॉज वी was in a rush. बट ये लास्ट इंस्टॉलेशन है. वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द एयरपोर्ट वेयर वी आर इंस्टॉलिंग अ Pioneer 6650 guys. Again, it's a legendary modeler 9-inch stereo, comes with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Along with that, we have a multiple option in the components: Blam, Steg, Focal, multiple brands. But this installation we are carrying out in Karnataka. If you see the other cars as well, Karnataka. We are in part of Karnataka itself. We are in Bangalore at the moment, and we went to multiple other locations in Bangalore like Davangere and we went to Mysore for the installation. But yes, this is a basic basic setup, entry level components with a head unit. So right now if we go to the car, I'll just going to show you the relay, auto folding relay and everything. But meanwhile, if you see the placement of the Pioneer, this is the head unit that we have installed. So customer is testing the final thing. Lastly, I just want to show you the camera as well. This is the camera that we have placed, a Blopung DH4.3. Now it comes with the AHD option, so it can be aligned with the Pioneer. So we have added the auto roll up power window, the windows, and we have also added the relay for the auto fold. So this is the entire setup. Approx this cost will be around for 45 to 50,000, where everything is being carried out. And now let's quickly move to the inside. We'll see the output, and lastly we'll close. Every day we are doing this kind of setup, and everyone is fascinated about the Pioneer stereo with all the 4 Blam components. So again guys, I just want to tell you, we are in the Karnataka. The last installation for the Grand Vitara, it's done. Here you can see the number KA41, all the cars Karnataka itself. So and we are heading towards the airport itself. So you can see the component 160, the same components, and your head unit with damping and everything. So guys, understand, we are coming Bangalore every 2 or after every month. So you can also plan for installation like this. You can, but for that, first the product needs to be sent, then we can come and do the installation part. So let's quickly move to the NCS and the customer product, where the quality is best. Talking about the head unit, speakers, component, everything. Let's quickly take a feedback from the customer, because we are in Bangalore, like 3,000 kilometers away we are from our store. So how was your overall experience, sir?
So overall it was good, and after installation I think I feel really good music. The overall experience is also nice.
Can you just share something in your local language, because my Bangalore or Karnataka customer really want to know how it feels.
Yeah, maybe I'll speak in Kannada.
Mm-hmm.
I think experience was ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, and then speaker, head unit, so quality wise it's good, so I can go for this.
Mm-hmm.
And then installation wise, so RD up modular, mirror folding,
right,
then speaker, head unit, reverse camera ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and all the things are from Sohil.
Yeah, we have couriered you earlier. It's been like 10-15 days. You still have the material, and we came to installation and we have installed.
Yeah.
So how was the installation experience? Hassle free?
Yes, I can say yes. I mean, if you would have come to our place, it would have been even more great.
Yeah, so right now we are at the hotel itself. So the customer came to our hotel for the last install. So let's quickly wind this video with the NCS. So कुछ last add करना चाहेंगे कि clarity, Blam कैसा था overall experience?
Initially I was not having
You're a local language, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Quality wise, Blam is best.
Mm-hmm.
Previously I was using this coaxial speaker use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, but now ಈಗ component speaker, I didn't know how it works.
Right.
ಈ component speaker is the best one for the cars.
Right. Sir. Canada. Right.
ಕೆಲಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
Right,
ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೈನರ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Great. So guys, इसी के साथ वाइंड अप करते हैं. Let's head back to Delhi to our store, and last NCS पे हम एक बारी फाइनल फीडबैक आपको दिखाते हैं, फाइनल रिस्पॉन्स.
Dreaming in the dark, we're nothing more than ties. Search but you stay lost.
सो आपने देख ही लिया होगा कि कैसा ग्रैंड विटारा में रिजल्ट था। एक और हमने प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ बैंगलोर में रेडी करा था, दैट वाज रिलेटेड टू कोशाक। इसमें हमने काफ़ी हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स, प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स लगाए थे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वाइल रिकॉर्डिंग मेरा फ़ोन हेड यूनिट से कनेक्टेड रह गया वाया ब्लूटूथ, सो कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो पाया। सो आई हैव टू गिव अ वॉइस ओवर व्हाट वी डिड इन दिस कार। सो वी हैव फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम काइलैक में बहुत लोग सोल्यूशन मांग रहे हैं कि हेड यूनिट क्या लगाएं। सो वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड द पाइनियर 6650। अब आप देख सकते हैं ग्लिम्स की हमने ये इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं। राइट नाउ द कस्टमर वांटेड अ मैट फिनिश फ्रेम, सो वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड दैट। वी ऑल्सो हैव अ ग्लॉसी फ्रेम इन दिस कार। सो बात करें स्पीकर्स की, वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड द ब्लैम सुपर रिलैक्स सीरीज अलॉन्ग विद दैट एक्सप्रेस एंड द ब्लैम एम्पलीफायर, दैट्स अ 5 channel amplifier. You can see the fit and finish how we installed the amp in the rear. So ये overall products use करे गए हैं, 5 channel super relax express, then the subwoofer was by DB Drive जो कि आपने देख चुके हैं, and this was the overall fitment of the head unit. And lastly एक और project था guys, again इस ये भी हमने ready करा है, which we have installed the Morel Virtue speaker. मैं ये जो भी ये वाला सेटअप है, आप NCS पे इसका फाइनल रिजल्ट देख सकते हैं, इसका कैसा रिस्पॉन्स है, कैसा इसका ओवरऑल आउटपुट है। वी हैव यूज द मॉरल कंपोनेंट, वी हैव यूज द लाइव 3.5 मिड रेंज, इसमें हमने 3-वे सेटअप करा था। सो इसकी पूरी ग्लिम्स है हमारे पास की सब कुछ, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए इस गाड़ी को भी। सो डेफिनेटली आप इंस्टाग्राम पे इसका आउटपुट रिस्पॉन्स चेक कर सकते हैं। मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करता रहता हूँ और दिखाता रहता हूँ क्या क्या नई चीज़ें हम कर रहे हैं एवरीडे ऑन एवरीडे बेसिस। आप इंस्टाग्राम चैनल फॉलो कर सकते हैं। बाकी ये फाइनल ग्लिम्स है कैसा हमारा 6650 लग रहा है। आपके पास भी कोई क्वेश्चन है रिगार्डिंग एनी ऑडियो रिलेटेड इशू, you can contact us. Our store is in Delhi near Rajouri Garden, and we also travel pan India for the installation for the car audio projects. So you can reach out to us. इसी के साथ thank you so much for watching this video.